Hi, this is Vicki from Me Time, and welcome to our first ever Hoop Studio unboxing. I can't wait to show you what we have ready for you for this month. So if you love fall and these autumn's vibes, you're gonna love this box. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what you get in the box and how your final projects are gonna look like. So let's dive in, okay? Here is our Hoop Studio box. Let's see. First, you're gonna get your full set of step-by-step colored instructions showing you how to make all of these 3 projects in 5x7 and also in an 8x12 design. Then you're also gonna get your content card that will show you all of the materials that you're getting in this box. Let's go into the fun part. So your Hoop Studio bag will contain all of your materials that you need to create this project. First, let's show you all of these beautiful hoops that you get. You get a 3-pack of these hoops. There's a bigger size and 2 smaller kind of square-sized hoops where you're going to be able to hoop in your final stitch outs, your designs. These are amazing, and for this month, we're going to be putting these up also in our store for purchasing. This month, you also get amazing fabrics. You get some art gallery fabrics, a texture Essex Robert Kaufman fabric, and also a fun flannel of Maywood Studios. And to add more texture and also more fall colors to your designs, we have also chosen 3 different felt colors that will make your designs pop. The fresh technique of this month is dimensional felt. So you're going to be working a lot with these colors and your design is just gonna look amazing. Also for this box, you're also getting wash away topping that will help with your stitch outs. So you're probably curious to see what designs you're going to be embroidering. There are gonna be 3 designs and one is going to be the bigger one. You're gonna have this very cute base design featuring different textures and different colors that give you a fall and autumn vibe. Then our second design is going to be a complementary design that shows these 2 cute mushrooms with a dimensional felt leaf. We have also here dimensional felt leaves. And then your third design, and this is my favorite because if you've seen me in other videos, I talk about how I love snails. This one has a snail and a mushroom, so it doesn't get better than that. And another dimensional oak leaf. These 3 designs were inspired by fall, one of my favorite seasons. Let me know which ones your favorite seasons are. And also these 3 designs complement each other. So you can hang them on the wall. They're very easy to hang and they can be a really cute standalone, but you can also put them together as a grouping. All of these designs work together and you get all in your box so that you can make all 3 of them. Thank you so much for joining us today. Please share your projects and all of your creations on social media because I love seeing what you make. Also, we have a very special giveaway for you. You can win a pack of the 3 hoops that I just mentioned, and please answer the following question. Which has been your favorite Hoop Studio project so far? You can enter in the next 24 hours and we would love to see your answers. Thank you so much, and again, go and enjoy some well-deserved me time.